Hi guys, I'm Ajay from Networkers Home Technical Team. So today let's talk about ESA deployment. Okay, so your ESA device, it is available as a hardware also, and it is also available as a virtual machine. Okay, so if you are deploying a physical hardware device, so you have to purchase according to your organization size. There are different models available in case of ESA. So you can purchase it and you can deploy it. But when it comes to a virtual machine, right? So you can deploy it in the hypervisor. So what is an hypervisor? An hypervisor is basically a program, a software that allows you to use the capability of virtualization and allows you to run multiple virtual machines in a single operating system. Okay, so this hypervisor is of two types, which is type 1 and type 2. And ESXi, where we are going to deploy our ESA, is type 1 hypervisor. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to deploy our ESA on top of our virtual machine, on top of our hypervisor, which is VMware ESXi. Okay, so this deployment process will take total 3 steps. We have to download and upload the ESA on the ESXi. That means we have to import the ESA virtual machine in the ESXi, right? The second step will be what? That we have to upload the license of your ESA. Okay, we have to upload the license of your ESA with the help of some FTP software like WinSCP or a FileZilla software you can use. So that is the second step that is going to happen. And then the third step will be what? We have to load the license. So for that reason, we have to take CLI access of your ESA, and then we have to load and activate the license. Okay, so these are all the steps that we will be taking, and practically I'll show you how to do this thing in the next video. So if you find this information helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.